The story and symbolism of Green Tara. Green Tara, known as Samtara in Sanskrit and Dolma in Tibetan, is one of the most beloved and iconic deities in Tibetan Buddhism. She is considered a female bodhisattva and an enlightened being, representing the embodiment of active compassion. Her story and symbolism are deeply rooted in Buddhist teachings, offering profound insights into the nature of compassion, protection, and the feminine divine. Origins of Green Tara. The origins of Green Tara are linked to the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, who is also known as Chenrezig in Tibetan Buddhism. Avalokiteshvara is the Bodhisattva of compassion, who vowed to liberate all sentient beings from suffering. The legend tells that while Avalokiteshvara was gazing upon the suffering of the world, he became overwhelmed by the enormity of it and began to cry. From his tears, a lake formed, and a lotus bloomed from the waters. When the lotus opened, it revealed Tara, a fully grown and radiant being. In another version of the story, Tara herself was originally a princess named Yeshedava, moon of primordial awareness. She was devoted to the Bodhisattva path and was encouraged by monks to pray for rebirth as a male, as it was believed that only men could achieve enlightenment. However, Tara vowed to remain in female form to show that gender is no barrier to enlightenment. She declared that she would continue to work for the benefit of all beings in the form of a woman until samsara is emptied. Thus, she became known as Tara, the liberator. The two primary forms, Green Tara and White Tara. Tara manifests in various forms, each embodying different aspects of compassion and wisdom. The two primary forms are Green Tara and White Tara. Green Tara. Symbolism. Green Tara represents active compassion. She is often depicted with one leg extended and the other folded, ready to spring into action. This posture symbolizes her readiness to assist all beings in need. Attributes. Green Tara is depicted with a compassionate and serene expression. In her left hand, she holds a blue lotus, Utpala, symbolizing purity and the night-blooming wisdom that dispels darkness and ignorance. Her right hand is in the gesture of generosity, offering blessings to her followers. Role. She is invoked to overcome fears, remove obstacles, and provide protection from dangers, both physical and spiritual. Her energy is dynamic, swift, and responsive. White Tara. Symbolism. White Tara embodies the qualities of nurturing, healing, and long life. She is often depicted with a more tranquil demeanor, sitting in a meditative pose. Attributes. White Tara is distinguished by her 7 eyes, which symbolize her ability to see the suffering of all beings. These eyes are located on her hands, feet, and forehead, and they signify her vigilance and awareness. Role. White Tara is called upon for health, longevity, and the healing of physical and emotional wounds. Her practice is particularly popular among those seeking recovery from illness or enhancing their well-being. The mantra of Green Tara. The mantra associated with Green Tara is Om Tare Tuttare Ture Swaha. Each syllable of this mantra carries deep spiritual significance. Om, the universal sound, representing the body, speech, and mind of the Buddha. Tare invokes Tara, the liberator. The Tare removes all fears and obstacles. Ture provides protection from dangers and misfortunes. Swaha, an affirmation of the prayer's completion, offering it to the divine. This mantra is recited to cultivate inner strength, courage, and the swift removal of obstacles on the spiritual path. Iconography and symbolism. Green Tara's iconography is rich in symbolism, each element carrying a profound meaning. Green color. The green hue of Tara symbolizes vitality, energy, and the vibrant force of compassionate action. Green is also associated with the element of air and wind, denoting her swiftness in responding to the needs of sentient beings. Lotus, Utpala, the lotus she holds represents purity and enlightenment. It grows from the mud but remains unstained, symbolizing the possibility of spiritual growth even in the midst of worldly challenges. Posture. Her posture, with one leg extended, indicates her readiness to leap into action to aid those who call upon her. The other leg folded in meditation symbolizes her grounding in deep wisdom and spiritual insight. Green Tara in practice. Green Tara is one of the most commonly practiced deities in Tibetan Buddhism. Her practice is accessible to both beginners and advanced practitioners. Meditating on Green Tara, visualizing her image, and reciting her mantra are believed to invoke her blessings, offering protection, removing obstacles, and fostering compassion in the practitioner's heart. Green Tara is particularly popular in the Tibetan tradition, where she is seen as a mother figure, compassionate and nurturing, yet strong and courageous. She is a source of refuge for those in distress and a guide for those seeking enlightenment. Conclusion. Green Tara's story is not just a myth but a spiritual tool, offering teachings on the power of compassion, the breaking down of gender barriers in spiritual practice, and the importance of swift, compassionate action. She embodies the ideal of the Bodhisattva, a being who works tirelessly for the liberation of all beings. Her presence is a reminder that compassion can be both nurturing and dynamic, ready to respond to suffering with both love and effective action. Practitioners who connect with Green Tara are encouraged to embody these qualities in their own lives, becoming a source of comfort and support to others, just as Tara is to them.